Today, let's talk about service. On one chill Saturday evening with your Wi-Fi connected, you are ready to binge watch your favorite anime series. Then you realize that your Netflix no do it. You go online and the news is like, the Netflix servers are busy and that there are plenty people on the servers and the servers have crashed. What the hell are these servers these people keep talking about? Let's break it down. Before we get into what a server is, you first have to know what a client is. A client is any device on a network that requests for resources from a server, and a server is any device on a network that shares its resources with other clients. Servers are typically these huge data center computers you see in movies, but depending on what you are doing, even your phone could become a server. For example, when using AirDrop or Bluetooth to transfer an image, the phone transferring the image becomes the server and the phone receiving the image becomes the client. So what you have to note is that servers and clients can be identified based on the role they play on a network and not the physical device itself. This is like your typical interaction between you and the Gobe seller. When you go to the Gobe seller and make your order, you become the client and the seller becomes the server. But in other scenarios, you could also become the server, like when your girlfriend asks you for money and you give her, you become the server and she becomes the client. Hope you've got the difference. All right, see you in the next video.